Hey guys, Wes here with another installment of our Nova Scotia adventure. Apparently I forgot to hit record when I was started the frame and cutting out for a brand new smoking barbecue that I'm going to attempt to build. So right now I've got the frame done. Yep. So the frame is the remnants from an old futon.
This is a whole app.
That's also where I got all the hardware.
This whole app, right?
And on top, obviously, it's a 50-gallon drum.
Well,
So far, all I did was cut out the lid there with a angle grinder, put on some hinges. Frame's pretty sturdy. For the bottom supports, that would be, I think, was the front support for the futon. These here, the uprights were the back. They come in two pieces. These supports were from the back of the futon, where they help split together. These here are going to be the handle. I just, so far, all I've done was bend these out. Could you be quiet? So far, all I did is bend those out. So now I just gotta grab the hammer that's in the wife's car as soon as she gets home.
and my son, right?
Yeah, and your tool bag, bud. And with those, we're gonna just attach those over the ribs, and then I'm gonna make a wooden handle to go in between two of those.
But how are you going to open it?
That will be out nice and far,
No, we did, do we?
and the handle won't get too hot. And the next step will be finding an old barbecue tank for the burner part.
And this, right? Dad?
So I'll do a little bit more recording. So when wife comes back, she just gone out to pick up some chicken food. I'll be able to beat those up, and then Logan and I'll start installing the handles. Won't we, bud?
But,
I mean, you'll put the handles on pretty soon? Yeah.
but not yet. We went to my tool bag. Dad?
So, this was 90 degrees before I started. I just took my adjustable, set it down, start prying it back, and I got it up to here. Tap her out.
Huh?
See, I already got the one on there. And I put it down about 1/8 of an inch, just so it catches the edge of the barrel. So I'm just gonna mark these holes out. Gonna mark these holes out, be able to put this on. was just at the local hardware store. I picked up these two adjustable 6-inch chimney pipes, single wall, 24 gauge steel. And I just cut the grill out, marked it with the pencil, cut it out with the grinder to get a good position. So I'm going to have to cut the profile of the propane tank into this and take that out with the grinder just to get it a little closer. And it's only going to be a rough fit. Here's a pencil mark. And hear the pouring rain today. Just gonna do that in this. And then we're gonna do a really good fit. Wow, it's really pouring out there. I think for now this is going to be good enough. So I'm just gonna cut the opening to the drum here for my stovepipe out off camera, because I don't think watching someone use a grinder or a reset saw is very entertaining. So I'll get that cut out and I'll be back in just a minute. So I got the ball ground in, the grinding attachments. There's the, I think it's a 3/32 cutting disc, 1/4 inch grinding disc, and then 32 grit sanding disc to remove all the sharp edges. Now let's see if it fits. So a little bit of fine tuning. Got it to go in. It seems to be pretty good. Clearly not making it airtight. And I don't believe it needs to be airtight. I did have a good hot fire in here already. Washed it out twice. Had a good hot fire. So I'm gonna do probably a little test. I test smoking. And see how it works so far. You guys do notice this. This is my propane tank wood stove that I was building. I had someone give me a little tiny wood stove, so I'm going to put that in the cabin. I'm going to be able to keep this. For the smoker, I'm going to have to figure out something for adjusting the air flow. That shouldn't be too difficult. And with the grinding attachments, you probably pick all 3 of those up at your local hardware store for about $30. The grinding disc and the part cutting disc came with my grinder when I bought it. So far this build's cost $22 with taxes for the stovepipe. I'm gonna move this out of the garage out into the driveway now that it's stopped pissing rain, and see what it looks like with a little bit of smoke going through it. A little fire on the go in there. As you can tell, I'm gonna have to put a seal around the door. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with this one. Just a tin lip on the inside. Definitely producing a lot of smoke. Yep, I think that's going to work pretty wicked. So I see a lot of people putting their chimney off of this side. I was debating on just going straight up from the top. That's if I can find a piece of pipe to fit that and put a 90 in it. Wait, I don't know yet what I'm going to do with the chimney. Right now, I was just kind of excited to get some smoke coming out of it. So once this fire dies down, I'm going to put the lip on the inside here so I can get a better seal. And probably clean it out. So in the next video, I'll show you seasoning it, and then hopefully smoking some mackerel, because they should be starting to run this weekend or next weekend. I'd like to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.